Flash travel guide for no planners, 48 hours and first-time visitors in Cairo, Egypt. What are my best bets to go? Welcome to Cairo, Egypt, a city that is a vibrant tapestry of history, culture, and modernity. As the capital of Egypt and one of the largest cities in Africa, Cairo is a bustling metropolis that offers a wealth of experiences for first-time visitors. If you have only 48 hours to explore this incredible city, you're in for an unforgettable adventure. This guide will take you through 7 must-visit places, each offering unique experiences that showcase the best of Cairo. So, let's dive into your ultimate 2-day itinerary. Day 1. The Wonders of Ancient Egypt. 1. The Great Pyramids of Giza. Start your Cairo adventure with a visit to the Great Pyramids of Giza, one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. These iconic structures are a testament to the ingenuity and skill of the ancient Egyptians. Explore the pyramids. Stand in awe before the Great Pyramid of Khufu, the largest of the 3 pyramids. You can even enter the pyramid for a glimpse of the burial chamber, but be prepared for narrow passages. Sphinx encounter. Don't miss the Great Sphinx, a mythical creature with the body of a lion and the head of a pharaoh. Take a moment to capture photos and learn about the legends surrounding this enigmatic statue. Camel rides. For a truly authentic experience, consider taking a camel ride around the pyramids. It's a fun way to explore the area while enjoying the stunning desert landscape, sound and light show. If time allows, return in the evening for the sound and light show at the pyramids. The show narrates the history of ancient Egypt through captivating visuals and music, illuminating the pyramids in a magical way. 2. The Egyptian Museum. After marveling at the pyramids, head to the Egyptian Museum in Tahrir Square, home to an extensive collection of ancient artifacts. This museum is a treasure trove of Egypt's rich history. King Tutankhamun's treasures. One of the highlights of the museum is the collection of artifacts from the tomb of King Tutankhamun, including his famous golden mosque. These exquisite pieces offer a glimpse into the opulence of ancient Egyptian royalty. Mummies exhibit. Explore the fascinating Mummies exhibit, where you can learn about the ancient Egyptian practice of mummification and see well-preserved remains of pharaohs and nobles. Interactive displays. The museum features interactive displays and informative plaques that provide context to the artifacts. Take your time to read and absorb the history behind each piece. Guided tours. Consider joining a guided tour to enhance your experience. Knowledgeable guides will share intriguing stories and insights that bring the exhibits to life. Museum gift shop. Before you leave, stop by the museum's gift shop to find unique souvenirs, including replicas of ancient artifacts and books on Egyptian history. 3. Khan el-Khalili Bazaar. Next, immerse yourself in the vibrant atmosphere of Khan el-Khalili Bazaar, one of the oldest markets in the Middle East. This bustling souk is a sensory delight, filled with sights, sounds and aromas. Shopping paradise. Wander through the narrow alleys lined with shops, selling everything from spices and textiles to jewelry and souvenirs. It's the perfect place to pick up unique gifts and mementos. Bargaining culture. Don't be afraid to haggle. Bargaining is a common practice in the bazaar, and you might be surprised at how much you can save with a little negotiation. Cafes and tea houses. Take a break at one of the traditional cafes or tea houses. Enjoy a cup of mint tea or Arabic coffee while soaking in the lively atmosphere. Cultural experience. Engage with local artisans and shopkeepers, many of whom are happy to share stories about their crafts and the history of the bazaar. Evening stroll. If you can, return in the evening when the bazaar is beautifully illuminated. The vibrant lights and bustling crowds create a magical ambiance that's perfect for exploring. Day 2. Culture and modernity. 4. Islamic Cairo. Begin your second day by exploring Islamic Cairo, a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its stunning architecture and rich history. This area is home to some of the most beautiful mosques and historic buildings in the city. Al-Azhar Mosque. Visit Al-Azhar Mosque, one of the oldest universities in the world. The mosque's stunning architecture and serene atmosphere make it a must-see. Take a moment to appreciate the intricate details of the minarets and domes. Sultan Hassan Mosque. Just a short walk away, you'll find the Sultan Hassan Mosque, an architectural masterpiece known for its grandeur. The mosque's massive courtyard and beautifully decorated interiors are awe-inspiring. El-Moez Street. Stroll along El-Moez Street, a historic thoroughfare lined with ancient buildings, shops and cafes. This street is a living museum showcasing the architectural styles of different eras. Cultural insights. Engage with local guides who can provide insights into the history and significance of the mosques and buildings you visit. Their stories will enrich your understanding of Islamic Cairo. Photography opportunities. Don't forget your camera. The stunning architecture and vibrant street life provide endless opportunities for beautiful photographs. 5. Coptic Cairo. Next, head to Coptic Cairo, a historic area that showcases Egypt's Christian heritage. This neighborhood is home to several ancient churches and the Coptic Museum. Hanging Church. Visit the Hanging Church, one of the oldest churches in Egypt, built on top of the ruins of a Roman fortress. The church's unique architecture and beautiful icons make it a fascinating site to explore. Coptic Museum. Explore the Coptic Museum, which houses an extensive collection of Coptic art and artifacts. The museum provides insights into the history of Christianity in Egypt and the development of Coptic culture. St. Sergius and Bacchus Church. Don't miss the Church of St. Sergius and Bacchus, believed to be built on the site where the Holy Family rested during their flight into Egypt. The church's beautiful interior and historical significance make it a must-visit. Local cafes. After exploring, relax at a nearby cafe and enjoy traditional Egyptian pastries and tea. It's a great way to unwind and reflect on your experiences. 6. Nile River Cruise. In the afternoon, embark on a relaxing Nile River cruise. The Nile is the lifeblood of Egypt, and experiencing it from the water offers a unique perspective of the city. Scenic views. Enjoy stunning views of Cairo's skyline, historic landmarks, and lush riverbanks as you glide along the Nile. The gentle breeze and picturesque scenery create a serene atmosphere. Dinner cruise. Consider booking a dinner cruise that includes a buffet meal and live entertainment. Enjoy traditional music and dance performances while savoring delicious Egyptian cuisine. Experience. If possible, time your cruise to coincide with sunset. The golden hues reflecting on the water create a magical ambience that's perfect for capturing memorable photos. Relaxation. Take this opportunity to relax and unwind after a busy day of exploring. The tranquil setting of the Nile provides a welcome respite from the hustle and bustle of the city. Cultural insights. Engage with the crew and fellow passengers to learn more about the significance of the Nile in Egyptian culture and history. 7. Zamalek District. Wrap up your Cairo adventure in the Zamalek District, an upscale neighborhood known for its beautiful gardens, art galleries, and vibrant cafe culture. Al-Azhar Park. Start your visit at Al-Azhar Park, a beautifully landscaped park that offers stunning views of the city. Take a leisurely stroll through the gardens and enjoy the peaceful surroundings. Art galleries. Explore the local art scene by visiting some of the galleries in Zamalek. Many galleries showcase contemporary Egyptian art, providing a glimpse into the creative spirit of the city. Cafes and restaurants. Zamalek is home to a variety of cafes and restaurants, offering everything from traditional Egyptian dishes to international cuisine. Enjoy a meal or a drink while soaking in the vibrant atmosphere. Zamalek also often hosts art exhibitions, music concerts and theater performances, providing a taste of Cairo's cultural scene. Evening stroll. As your day comes to an end, take a leisurely evening stroll along the Nile Corniche. The illuminated skyline and gentle sounds of the river create a perfect backdrop for reflection on your Cairo adventure. Conclusion. With this 2-day itinerary, you'll experience the best of Cairo, from its ancient wonders and rich history to its vibrant culture and modern attractions. Whether you're exploring the Great Pyramids, wandering through bustling bazaars, or cruising along the Nile, Cairo promises an unforgettable adventure. So pack your bags, grab your camera, and get ready to create lasting memories in this incredible city.